Hi,
Hello,
nice to meet you.
it's pleasure to meet you.
Could I ask you about you?
Yes, of course. Ask me.
What's your name?
My name is Shorobi.
What's your father's name?
My father's name is Shahinur.
What's your sister's name?
My sister name is Shuma.
What's your favorite color's name?
My favorite color name is purple.
What's your favorite cartoon name?
My favorite cartoon name is Ojama.
What's your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is English. Sorry.
How old are you?
I'm 13 plus.
Um, how old is your father?
My father is 15 years old.
What's your what's how many how much water do you have?
I have one bottle water.
How many water do you have?
I have 1 ml water.
How many apple do you have?
I have 4 apple.
How many dress do you have?
I have many dress.
How much water do you have?
I have 1 ml water.
How much love do you mom?
I love my mom very much.
How many pen do you have?
I have unlimited pen.
How many orange are there in your bag?
There are 25 orange in my bag.
What's your favorite teacher name?
My favorite teacher name is Shubham Devan.
What's your favorite colors name?
My favorite color's name is purple.
What's your favorite drink name?
My favorite drink name is orange. Orangey. Sorry. Bye.